Thank you guys for tuning in. Again, this is Marty Heath with MCi Impact Windows and Doors. This is Roger Buchek, the CEO and owner and certified building contractor of the company. I feel that people deserve to know who MCi is. It's important for people to see that we're not just impact window and door salesmen. We actually care. We want to help people and get things done the right way the first time. At the end of the day, when someone's hiring a contractor, they want to hire someone they can trust and someone they can count on to do the job right the first time. And that kind of separates us from other companies. Not only do we have our certified builders contractors license that you've worked so hard for, we work under our own license.
You have to carry the right insurances, workman's comp. There's a lot of things that people don't see. They want to save money, but if you have an illegal person in your home gets hurt, who are they going to sue? Yeah, the homeowner. So they're vulnerable. They don't know that. We check all our subs every month, make sure their licenses are up to date, their insurance is up to date, the workman's comp is up to date.
These are guys that have been working for the company for 5 to 10 years and only MCi.
Correct.
What was it like finding installers?
I started installing with my own hands, started very small, and then we grew it from there. And now we have almost 60-something employees working for the company.
20 years, by the way, 2008 he started. He's got over 30 years of construction experience.
Yeah, my father was a hydrotechnics engineer, so I kind of get that from him, but I also have an artistic side where I can kind of help people, guide people the right way. But the most important thing to me is I feel we're in the people business, not just the window business. We're not there just to make a sale, and we're there to make sure they get the right product and just take all the right steps to make them feel like they had a great experience.
And get the job done right the first time.
Absolutely. So the clients are the most important, and we have very high standards here with not only does the work good, but we're protecting their home, and if there's any issues, our office is immediate. They respond. We send somebody out there to adjust the door, whatever the case may be.
And that's kind of what separates us, from the manufacturer side. We can do all our own work and we respond quickly.
Yeah.
Our communication's incredible. From start to finish, you're getting the job done correctly. And even long after the job is completed, I'm still there for my clients.
We build relationships.
Right.
Things happen in construction, right?
Of course.
We rectify them and remediate them as soon as possible. You want to be on it immediately.
We respect people's homes. Your home kind of becomes our home for the week, for the day, for whatever amount of time or duration the project is. Why is doing the job the right way so important in this industry?
Because it costs me money.
Incorrect installations, you can have major issues. Price versus cost comparison is tremendous in this industry. Your price is what you see up front. The cost is what it's going to cost you, a year down the line, 2 years down the line, 5 years down the line, right? And you want to go with a company that's a one and done situation.
A, it inconvenience the customer, which is the number one no. Number two, you're costing the company money. You have to go back and fix stuff. Do it right the first time, and you don't have to worry about it.
So how does MCi protect the client before, during, and after the installation? Super important here.
When we go into a home, we like to ask the right questions. What are you trying to accomplish? What's your budget? Are you staying in the home for a long period of time? Are you thinking about selling? Are you a flipper? Whatever the case may be. So number one, we're like an advisor. I don't want to price you something that's way out of your budget. We don't go in there as a salesperson to try to close them. And with our clients, we qualify them. We give them a proposal. We're not going to pressure you. Give you a good price. And then if it's too much for you or you want to go a different direction, that's totally up to you. Because most of the retrofits, people live in these homes. We basically prep them before the installation. We send them an email showing them like the breakdown of what to expect.
Mm-hmm.
The floor protection, the plastic, zip walls.
Yep, all the cover systems.
Exactly, because it's important, right? Because you're showing that you care and you respect the home. We try to give you the best product at the best price that's going to meet your needs, your family's needs, help you with saving insurance, protecting your family, energy savings. We give you all that information up front so you can make a great decision on what type of product to buy. During the installation, we have seasoned installers. I measure most of the projects myself, so there's minimizing the mistakes. We do have some measure techs that are great, but some of the bigger ones, I like to make sure everything's perfect so the customers don't have a bad experience. And the crew that we choose for each individual project is kind of tailored to the specifications or the needs of the customer. If they're modifying some openings, we have our installers that specialize in modifying openings, doing rebar, columns, pouring concrete. Whatever the case may be, windows and doors is a big undertaking when people come to your home and you start ripping windows out of your house. So we have to make sure they feel comfortable. And the last one, after installation, all our jobs are permitted. So we have city inspectors come and check the work, make sure it's all done up to code. All the products are product approval stickers, so he can go from the sticker to the product approval in the permit package. make sure everything's jiving so it's correctly done. And after that's done, we come back, we clean up all the screw covers, all the fasteners that are exposed, get beauty caps or screw covers. We put those on, make sure the tracks are clean, lubricated. They know how to work the doors, the windows. And then we also have the warranties for the manufacturers, 10 years, depending on product. Some of them are longer, some of them are not. And we do also a 2-year labor warranty. We care about our clients. If there's a small issue down the road, you call us, we're going to take care of it. That's just the right thing to do, I believe.
What would you say is important for a homeowner or building manager to look for when searching for an impact window or door company here in Florida?
Number one is price. People are very price conscious in Florida. Number two is you have to have the right product for the right application. So if you install that door, it's going to pass inspection. It meets all the stringent hurricane codes. We have our engineer do all that for us, so we know. Another thing is you have to show them waterproofing, bucking, the right insurance, the right equipment, and the right reputation. They might call somebody for another price, but they know the quality of the work that we do and the service that we provide.
The cheapest price usually leads to the most expensive problem. Sometimes that's difficult to convey to the customer the reasons why we are more expensive than the cheapest price. I can tell you the quality is going to show in the craftsmanship of our work, and someone's responsible for the project.
There's always somebody either on site or just a phone call away. And once we install a product, we want the customer to actually try the product to make sure that they can lock it properly, know how to operate it properly.
And we don't take shortcuts.
They're getting a qualified contractor with a good reputation that has a lot of experience in the industry.
Mm-hmm.
My sales reps are trained. They care about the people, right? We truly care about the customers, because if you do right by people, people are going to do right by you. So we try to go there with an open mind, no pressure. We give you the best price. If there's a little bit of room, we work with you. But we have such a variety of products, from different vendors to different colors to different schemes. I mean, it's endless here. You cannot never replace your loved ones. So for me personally, getting impact windows in my home was number one to protect my family. When the hurricane's coming, I don't have to worry about that. I have to worry about making sure I have a generator or
water
or food or whatever the case may be, or helping a neighbor or a friend that needs help. It's very, very crucial to get your glass from MCi.